Okay guys, today we are going to be looking at how to design a completeness certificate with our smartphone and Pixellab editing. That is, if you want to give a certificate to your student, um, let's say after they have graduated from the training and you want to hand over a certificate to them, I want to show you how you can design that kind of certificate with your smartphone and Pixellab editing. Without wasting much of your time, if this is your first time of visiting this channel, please do what to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to notify. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, let's go and set the image size. The weight, this is the weight size 877, that's for the weight. And then for the height, we are going to set it as 600, 620. Then click OK. That's the inside of that we're going to use. Then I'm going to import a background. I will just go to from gallery. There is a background that I want to insert. I think that is the background that I want to use. Oh, that is okay. Then I'll go to my shape. Then reduce the opacity. Let's give it 80. Then let the shape cover this background like this. The reason why I'm doing it like this is because I want it to be a little bit white. Then I will mark it, click OK, and then position it at the center. That should be okay. And then I will lock it. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out a logo, a brown logo. This certificate that I'm designing is for an electronic work. All right, the person just graduated, then they want to hand over a certificate to the person. That is why I'm designing this. So you can use the same method and apply it on your own. Depends the type of the training that they learn at your hand. All right, so I will set this. I will go to my shape again. I will bring out a shape, then I will give it this color, then do something like this, just expand it like this. Then I'll just reduce it a little bit like this, then position it at the center. Cool. I think that should be okay. Then lock it. I haven't done that. I want to bring out a text. Let's say certificate of achievement. Sorry, don't want to capitalize this. uh, Certificate of achievement. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll go to my phones. Sorry, I'll go to my phone. Then I will give it this. That's the font that I actually use. Then I will click OK. Then for the color, I will just go to my color, make it a little bit darken. Just drag this like this, then click OK. Cool. Then position it at the center. Like this should be okay. Then you can also take it up a little bit. Then I will lock it. I haven't done that. I will bring out another text. Presented, present to, oh sorry, let's say this certificate present to, then click OK. Then position it here. Then I'll go to my phones. I will give this a phone as well. I will give it this, then I will reduce the size, then position it like this. For the color, just leave it the way it is. No need to make it that much darky. Just leave it the way it is. Then lock it. Having done that, I want to bring out the student name. Um, then I'll go to color, give it yellow color, the color of the logo. I want to give it this color. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll go to my fonts. Then I will give it this, then click OK, then increase the size a little bit so that it can be bold. Sorry for that. Cool. This should be okay. Then position it at the center. You can as well bring it down a little bit. I think that should be okay. Cool. Having done that, I want to bring out the write up, the typography. I've already copied it, so I don't want to waste much of your time. I will just place it and then click OK. So depending on what you want to write, so and also depend on what the person learned in your hand, right? So your write-up may not be the same with my own. Then I will go to what we call fonts, then give it as sorry, I'll give it that same font that I gave to present. Then I will reduce the size. I want to make this 3 line. Cool. Then I will go to alignment, put it at the center alignment. Let me see if I can reduce this size a little bit again. I want to make it 35. 35 should be okay. Then position it at the center like this. Cool. Then I'll lock this. Then I'll go to my text again, bring out the date. October. You can capitalize this. October 20. 20th 2024. Sorry. Cool. Then I will place it here and then change the color to white like this. Then I'll go to my phones. I'll give you this a phones. Let's go with it. Sorry guys. Then I'll reduce the size again. Cool. Then position it at the center, bring it down a little. This should be okay. Then I'll go to my shape, then crop it like this. um let's take opacity to 0, then give it a stroke. Just give it 2, either 3 should be okay. Then give it this color, then put it in here. Cool. That's how I want it to be. Let me see if I can bring down this. Cool. That is okay. Having done that, the next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out an award like this. Then I'll reduce the size, reduce it again. Then I'll position this at the center. I'll position this at the center, then bring this down a little bit. Let me reduce the size a little again. Make it 10. Then position it at the center. Then I will bring out the signature of the master. All right. Let's say So for you to get this, you must the person must have give you a signature, or if you are designing it for your students, you have to request for your student signature. So let's say, let me come back again. Let's say for instance I want to import a signature here. I'll just click here and then click on draw. I'll just click on draw. So this is where I will apply signature. This is the color, so I will use a black color. So this is the signature that I want to use. All right, then I will mark it, then crop it a little bit, reduce the size. I want to make use of roller here and then bring it down like this. Cool, let me take this up a little. I haven't done that. Let's say, let's copy this. I want to use the same fonts. Let's copy this, double tap this, then prepare by. So this is the person that is handle over the certificate, right? Prepared by, just tap prepare by. No need of bringing the person over. I want to separate the person name from this. Then just place it under this signature. Cool. Then I will copy this text, this which is this the date. I'll copy it. So the reason why I'm copying it, because I don't want to use much fonts. So I want the fonts should be the same. Now let's say Mr. P, right? Mr. P Arlo. Then click OK. Then I will increase the size of this a little, position it here, and then I will change the color to black. Cool. Let's just leave it the way it is. I think this should be okay. Cool. That is it. Now the next thing that I will do now, I will bring out the signature of the student, right? So I will just click here and then go to draw. Then for the color, use black, of course. Then let's just go with this. So this is the signature of the student. Then I will just reduce the size a little bit. So for you to do this, you got to master the signature of the person, so that it will come up exactly the way the person gave it to you. Cool. Then I will copy this. I will double tap this. Then weighted. Let's see, awaited by. Then click OK. So that one is prepare. Well, this one is awaited. So this is the person that is receiving it, which is John. All right. Then I will just place it here. Then I will copy Peter. Double tap this, since I'm going to use the same font, so no need. I'll just double tap it. Double tap this. Let's say John. Cool. Then place it under it like this. Alright, guys, that is all. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. If you love this type of content, please do well to subscribe so that you did not miss our next video. If you have any tutorial in mind that you want me to drop on my channel, please do well to drop a comment in this video. Drop a comment section. Drop the comment. I will surely attend to you. Now if you want to save, you can just save as jpg and then ultra. I think that should be okay. Then save to your gallery, then send to the person to print it out. It will come out exactly the way it is. And please, before you send, you see all this, don't forget, don't match anything. All right, so just leave it the way it is, then save it like that. It will come out exactly the way you see it. Thank you guys. See you in the next tutorial.